Powerful websites you should know.
Hey there, today I'm going to show you a super easy way to turn your Excel tables into HTML code. Don't worry if you're not a tech whiz, this method is simple and fast. Let's get started. First things first, grab your favorite web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in CPAP and hit enter. Look for a website called scp_apps in the results and click on it. Once you're on the cp_apps site, you'll see a big Get Started button. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, you're in the Tools section. See that search bar? Type in Excel to HTML and press enter. Click on the Excel to HTML converter tool that pops up. Alright, now we're getting to the good stuff. On this new page, you'll spot a button that says Choose File. Click it and find the Excel file on your computer that has the tables you want to convert. Select it and click Open. Your file is now uploaded. Ready for the magic? Look for the Convert button and give it a click. The cool thing is, this process is lightning fast. We're talking less than a minute here. In just a few seconds, boom, your HTML code appears on the screen. Now you have two choices. You can either copy the HTML code directly from the page, or if you see a download button, you can save it as an HTML file. Let's meet again another day with something new. Have a good day.